Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be covering best diet plans for your weight loss. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel and give it a like, share and comment for this video. One of the best ways to lose weight is by changing your diet. Yet, the sheer number of available diet plans may make it difficult to get started as you are unsure which one is most suitable, sustainable and effective. Some diets aim to curb your appetite to reduce your food intake, while others suggest restricting your intake of calories and either carbs or fat. Yet, the total number of available diet plans may make it difficult to get started as you're unsure which one is most suitable, sustainable, and effective for you. Best diet plans to help you reduce weight and improve your overall health. First one is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a dietary strategy that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. Intermittent fasting restricts the time you are allowed to eat, which is a simple way to reduce your calorie intake. This can lead to weight loss unless you compensate by eating too much food during allowed eating periods. Second one is plant-based diets. Plant-based diets may help you lose weight. Vegetarianism and veganism are the most popular versions which restrict animal products for health, ethical and environmental reasons. Third one is a low carb diets. Low carb diets restrict your carb intake in favor of protein and fat. They are typically higher in protein than low fat diets, which is important as protein can help curb your appetite, raise your metabolism and conserve muscle mass. Fourth one is a low fat diets. Like low carb diets, low fat diets have been popular for decades. In general, a low fat diet involves restricting your fat intake to 30% of your daily calories. Fifth one is the DASH diet. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension. A DASH diet is an eating plan that is designed to help treat or prevent high blood pressure, which is clinically known as hypertension. It emphasizes eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean meat and is low in salt, red meat, added sugars, and fat. While the DASH diet is not a weight loss diet, many people report losing weight on it. So these are the top diet plans to lose your weight. So if you find something informative in this video, please do consider subscribing to this channel and give it a like for this video. Thank you so much.